Meaning of iniquitous.
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 Iniquitous. The word iniquitous means grossly unfair and morally wrong, involving or characterized by injustice or wickedness. If someone's behavior is iniquitous, it means they are engaging in wrongful conduct that goes against ethical or moral principles. Iniquitous actions can cause immense harm to the individuals or groups affected, leading to feelings of anger, frustration, and powerlessness. It is important to recognize and oppose iniquitous practices to promote fairness, justice, and equality in society. Failure to do so can perpetuate systemic oppression and perpetuate harmful power imbalances.